Today I'm doing a recipe from 0518 Barbecue. You ever watch her channel? Bacon wrapped chicken burnt ends. That's right, you see me do the brisket burnt ends, you see me do the pork belly burnt ends. Today we're going to take chicken, wrap it in bacon, and make some burnt ends. Let's get started. I got some boneless chicken thigh cut up here, and I've got some chicken breast cut up here. Use what you want. You see what this is, right? Bacon. All we want to do is, you see I cut this chicken about the width of the bacon. Then we're just going to roll each piece of chicken up in the bacon. Now, you can use half pieces if you want, but I got to tell you, I really like bacon. It's going to give this chicken moisture, and you already know it's going to give it bacon flavor. You got them all wrapped. 3 pounds of bacon. If you're worried about cholesterol, watch a different video or take a Lipitor like I do. For our seasoning, we're using Jack Daniel's Old No. 7 chicken rub. I kind of like this one. I like the fine grain on the rub. You might be able to hear the rain in the background. You know, it's Florida in the summer. That's kind of an everyday occurrence. So all I will do is season this side. Then I'll turn them over. Season the other side. Then we'll work our way over to the Masterbuilt Smoker. We've got this Masterbuilt set on 250 degrees. I'm using cherry wood today. Can't go wrong with cherry wood when it comes to chicken, any kind of turkey, duck, whatever. Our last piece, just gonna put this back in, shut the door. It's been 1 hour, 15 minutes. Look at those bad boys. They got all the color they need. Now we're going to put them in this pan over here. That's right. Now you want to put your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm going to use the Armadillo pepper whiskey barbecue sauce. If you want to learn more about it, I'll put a link in the video. Just going to sprinkle this barbecue sauce over all of our burnt ends. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I've got 1 stick of butter. Just going to spread it around. I've sliced it into thin pieces. Hopefully you can see that. No science to this. You just want to get it spread around. As soon as it gets back in that smoker, it's all going to melt down. This goodness is going to mix all up together. And then, let me just get that piece on and this piece. Then I'm going to come in with some honey. This happens to be bourbon barrel aged honey. You don't have to have bourbon barrel aged honey. Just use local. Support your local local farmers and stuff. Get some local honey. It's good honey. You can see we got on there, I don't know, maybe 1/3 of a cup. Now what I'm going to do is come back in with that same Jack Daniel's chicken rub. Just a little. You don't need a whole lot at this point. We've already seasoned them. Now, let's get back over to that Masterbuilt. Just going to get my burnt ends back in there, get the door shut. You don't need to add any more smoke. It's been another 30 minutes. I'm sure they're done. Look at that. Got that nice color on the top. We're going to get them out of here. Got them. That's right. Look at that sauce. I'm going to let them cool down a little bit where I can touch them. I'm going to get some out. We're going to do a taste test. Been resting here about 10-15 minutes, cooling off. We're going to give one a try. Get that tang from the Armadillo pepper whiskey barbecue sauce. Get that bacon, chicken, little sweetness, something really different. Hope you give it a try.